Hey guys, Chris here with Gtechniq. We are known for our ceramic coatings and we have quite a few to pick from, so we're going to get into the details of which ones you want to use. The first ceramic coating I'd like to go over is going to be our C1 Crystal Lacquer. Crystal Lacquer is our quartz-based coating. It's actually our flagship coating from when we started the company 20 years ago. This coating is great for every surface essentially, especially all the other surfaces like your single stage paints, matte surfaces, and things like that. The quartz-based coatings are going to give you the strongest bond with the surface to give you that protection you're looking for. The next coating we're going to go over is going to be our Halo. Halo was manufactured for PPF and vinyl. Halo is going to give you that protection that ceramic is going to give you on the paint surface, but for your PPF and vinyl. That's going to also increase the lifespan of the PPF and the vinyl, making it easier for you to maintain and keeping that nice gloss, satin, or matte finish exactly how you want it. What makes Halo great is not only the ease of application, but the fact that it also doesn't affect the self-healing properties of PPF. PPF, the big sell on it is self-healing. Halo is actually a flexible coating that allows those self-healing properties to still happen on the surface level of the PPF. The next coating we're going to go over is Crystal Serum Light, CSL. CSL is a great standalone coating. It's a 5-year, super easy application, new technology. This new technology gives you that ease of application and a little bit more gloss than the C1. CSL is a great option for you in your shop and as a DIY enthusiast. The next product we have on the list here is EXO. EXO is our super hydrophobic, super glossy top coat. EXO is rated at an 18-month to 24-month longevity. It can be used as a standalone or as a topper. It can be used as a topper for C1 or CSL. So it's a great option to add additional gloss and hydrophobics to your coating.